Benefit of songs in learning foreign languages. Learning foreign languages is very wide and knowing about vocabulary, easy conversation, stories, so many things from beginners to advanced. At least after building vocabulary, we can read and understand about the stories or sentences. We also need a new vocabulary or something important. To try to get a listening skill and speaking in the pronunciation, understanding about the emotion when they are talking and native speakers what they are talking. The songs are very good. Songs are very important. Songs itself, and then people enjoy. When we stay in the cafe, and then we can listen the songs. When we walk to the street, somewhere we can listen to songs. If we understand about what song stories like, even though the songs are the foreign languages. Yeah, simply living in Korea, then we can get listening to song. Just to think about one the masked singers, and then I watch it every Sunday. The masked singers from the one level to the king of songs, and then they sang um, many songs for 2 weeks. Each session, most of the singers and then who are others who are good at singing, and then they sing. Enjoyable. So think about um, listening to songs. I've been listening Vietnamese song to learn Vietnamese, and then mostly I would like to get used to. Instead of listening to Korean song or pop song, I chose listening to Vietnamese songs. So whenever I got list, I turn on the Vietnamese song and I got used to the song. Then and I can understand about little bit getting familiar with the song and sound. But I could not understand. Still, yes, listening is a difficult part. So and then I tried to do that in with the songs, and then I found out a video with the lyrics in Vietnamese. So and then I chose the video with the 18 songs, and then I found the subtitle. I studied the songs, and then uh, about the subtitle, figure out what it means because I couldn't understand after listening. So, and then when I figure out clear meaning, and then I check out the meaning of the song or about songs and singer and learning about more sentences. And besides, uh, I learned Vietnamese and Korean grammar uh, to improve the language patterns or something. This is a good way. Okay. Mm, I talk about okay. I talk about the benefit of the phones when we learn foreign languages, and especially knowing about the clear meaning of the lyrics, and then knowing about emotion, and also learn about some vocabulary or pattern of the grammar, and then it's good. In English, we make attention of benefit of songs when we learn foreign language, especially the listening and speaking in pronunciation, and also knowing about the emotion in lyrics, and when we learn songs. I absolutely agree. Translating to Korean and Vietnamese above. When learning any foreign language, you need to focus on several areas such as fluency, speaking, pronunciation, and emotional understanding. This is especially important when we learn the song because the song carries not only word but also feeling, culture, and nature. My songs are helpful in learning foreign languages. Songs provide many benefits when learning multiple languages. Natural vocabulary reading. Songs include the daily expression, emotional words, and storytelling thinking. Beginners can learn simple phrases and advanced learners they can learn idiom and poetic language, improving listening skills. Listening to song helps us get used to natural speed, connected speed, accent, tone, and rhythm of native speaker. The more we listen, the calmer we sound because this is important for any language. Um, Speaking and pronunciation. When we repeat a song, we copy the melody of language, pronunciation, stress, and intonation. This is one of the easiest ways to practice speaking without feeling pressure. Emotional understanding. To really understand a song, you must feel the emotion, the story, the cultural background. Emotion help us remember vocabulary faster and use it more naturally. daily life and the role of song. We hear songs everywhere in cafe, while walking the street, and keep programs such as the Masked Singer on the radio or in shop. When we understand the meaning of song around us, we feel more connected to the language and culture. My personal experience learning Vietnamese through songs, I use this method for Vietnamese. Instead of listening to Korean or English pop song, I chose Vietnamese songs so I could get used to the sound. At first, I couldn't understand anything, even after singing many times. Later, I found a video with 18 Vietnamese songs with subtitles, so I studied the lyrics carefully. When I learned the vocabulary and checked the exact meaning, the songs became easier to understand. Songs helped me improve vocabulary, grammar patterns, sentence structure, reasoning and interpretation skill, emotional understanding of native speaker. YouTube, these songs became very important, effective tool for learning Vietnamese. Familiar with the benefit of learning through song, learning languages through song help us build vocabulary naturally, improve listening skills, practice pronunciation, understand emotion and culture, enjoy the learning process, stay motivated, connect the language to daily life, and memorize these expressions. Songs are not only entertainment, they are a powerful method for language learning. Okay.